But first, the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. The Biden administration's coronavirus response team says it's well on track to administering 100 million doses in 100 days.
Yeah, the U.S. is now averaging more than 1.3 million shots per day. The CDC's director says across the nation, COVID cases and hospitalizations are decreasing, but warns that those more contagious strains that we've been talking about that are popping up threaten to reverse positive trends. Now, this map breaks down where each state stands with vaccinations. Right now, Georgia is in the middle of the pack with about 7 to 9% of our population already having received at least one shot. Only 6 states in Washington, D.C. have received more than 9%, or have reached, rather, 9% of their populations.
So here are 3 of the biggest headlines related to vaccines today. First, a new study shows a vaccine developed by Oxford and AstraZeneca may not only keep you from getting seriously sick, it may also substantially slow the spread of the virus as well. Researchers in the UK took swabs from volunteers in the trial and found positive test results were down by 67% overall. They also found the vaccine was 76% effective at preventing symptoms for 3 months after just 1 dose. And it was even more effective with a longer amount of time between the first and the second shots. But the study has not been peer-reviewed just yet, and the FDA is still waiting on a clinical trial to authorize the shots here. Number 2, Dr. Anthony Fauci now says it's okay for someone to get their second vaccine dose either 4 to 6 weeks after the first one. While it's not ideal, he says under special circumstances, it's better to delay the shot a couple of weeks rather than not do it at all. And the U.S. has struck a nearly $232 million deal with the Australian company Ellume to provide an at-home rapid test in the United States. This test can send results to a smartphone within 15 minutes of receiving a sample. Emory University and Children's Healthcare of Atlanta say these kinds of tests are essential for reopening businesses and for reopening schools.